Welcome back guys to yet another video. This is your बॉडी बिल्डिंग न्यूज़ रिपोर्टर और आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कुछ रीसेंट फिजिक अपडेट्स बाय सम एथलीट्स। तो पहले ही आते हैं वेस्ली विजर्स पे। उन्होंने कुछ टाइम पहले एक फ़ोटो डाला था जहाँ पे उन्होंने अपनी करंट कंडीशन फिजिक दिखाई थी, लाइक अ स्मॉल स्नीक पीक। सो उनकी चेस्ट obviously looks massive, he looks lean as well, the striations are all there, but I'm not sure whether the size is still there for classic physique. अगर उनको जीतना है आर्नल्ड क्लासिक, आई थिंक थोड़ा और साइज वुड बी बेटर. ही इज़ डेफिनेटली लीन, हिज कंडीशनिंग इज़ डेफिनेटली देयर, बट अभी पीक वीक आया नहीं है. देयर स्टिल सम टाइम टिल आर्नल्ड क्लासिक हैपेंस. Size wise I'm not too sure what his chances are this year. But another competitor, classic physique competitor, Matt Grego, recently did physique update जहाँ पे उन्होंने कुछ posing की थी, and he posted some photos on December I think on Instagram. तो वहाँ पे उनकी condition, I mean the sharpness is not yet there. You can definitely see the legs are in good condition, the striations are there, the quads, but overall size and sharpness wise, not too sure what's going on there. But still, let's see Arnold Classic mein how he performs. Definitely in comparison to other competitors such as the Korean Baki, or my favorite Mike Sommerfield, or even Logan. I think the size, even if the size is there, the sharpness still isn't there, the roundness is still isn't there. Let's see what his chances are at the Arnold Classic. अभी भी टाइम है पीक वीक आने का, so definitely won't be making a prediction or won't be saying too much before that. So let's see. Coming to the Arnold Classic, Derek Lunsford is making a comeback at the stage after recently coming third at Mr. Olympia. उन्होंने not a physique update but एक photo डाली है जहाँ पे you can see his physique, and seriously, although maybe in his bicep, he's still holding on to a lot of mass that is not needed. His shoulders and traps definitely look very very sharp, along with his quads. The legs are on point. I mean, he is a Mr. Olympia champion. He has won the 212. He has won open division as well. So definitely you can expect that the muscle, because of the muscle maturity, the sharpness is going to be there. The shoulders, the traps, the quads look amazing. अब देखना बाकी है कि what is the final form at the Arnold Classic. तो वो definitely I'm very excited to see. Sean Clarida posted his biceps, triceps and forearms exercise. Definitely give it a try guys at the gym. We are still yet to get a physique update from him, but I'm gonna keep my eyes on his Instagram page. जैसे ही physique update मिलता है तो मैं आपके साथ वो share करूँगा, of course. Another person we haven't got in a physique update in a long time is someone who's making a comeback at competition this year. That is none other than the mutant Nick Walker. He is going to be playing the Pittsburgh Pro. Last sort of physique update आप बोल सकते हो. Not even a physique update, but a post where you can see his entire physique is in a post by him on Instagram that is around 1 week ago. So वहाँ पे definitely you can see that he has gained a lot of mass. He looks very massive. He's not the mutant for he's called the mutant for a reason. So he has definitely packed on some size. I think when he actually competes, the cut is going to look amazing when he's shedding off that extra weight. So definitely excited to see what he brings, and hopefully the mutant से हमें बहुत जल्दी एक physique update मिले, देखने को मिले कि what he's working with. In another update, we have finally confirmation that Breon Ashley might be making a switch to 212. His Instagram post में देख सकते हो, he's saying कि I'm going to be making the decision on YouTube. And while Philippe ने भी comment किया है कि don't hold back, don't look at the scale. So he's definitely advising him to switch to open bodybuilding or 212 maybe for that. But can he win? मुझे लगता नहीं है कि Breon Ashley will win the Olympia again. Maybe अगर if he gets lucky, he might win it. Is that to say that he doesn't have the capability? Well, definitely he does. He is capable of. He has won before, but just because of his age and I don't think in a new division, going to a new division is definitely always challenging. And there's only been ever one multi-division champion. That is Derek Lunsford, who has won both the 2-on-2 and the open bodybuilding division of Mr. Olympia. So देखते हैं कि what Breon Ashley brings to the stage, definitely. So yeah, that is all with the updates for this video. We'll see you in another one. Do like and subscribe. Please do help the channel grow. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि एक नया इनिशिएटिव लेके आप सभी के पास the latest to bring the latest news regarding bodybuilding and your favorite athletes. So do support, do like and subscribe, and always stay jacked.